Hello everyone, nice to meet you aboard. Today I'd like to tell you about kimchi. Who does love food? I love all kinds of food. But most of all, I must say I love Korean food. Let me ask you something. Do you like kimchi? My parents can't live without it. But most of you will disagree. To be honest with you, I didn't like kimchi. However, after hearing my story, you will think again. Kimchi has always been a popular Korean traditional food, yet many of us do not favor it because of its authentic smell. But how much do you know about kimchi? Let me tell you a brief story about kimchi. We are not so sure when we started making kimchi, but researchers say time just was born. During that time, people created different flavors such as sweet and sour. Imagine the sweet kimchi. Does it make your mouth water? But enough about history. Now I would like to talk about the advantages of eating kimchi. There are numerous reasons why, but I will just mention 3 of them. First, kimchi contains a great amount of vitamins and minerals, especially calcium and vitamins A and C, which means it can even help you grow tall. Second, if you are a little chubby, eating kimchi will help you lose weight by increasing your metabolism and blood circulation. Now that I have told you about kimchi, I hope you can appreciate it as much as I do. I didn't like kimchi, but now I love it. So everyone, eat kimchi and stay healthy. Thank you for listening.